people? It's Leah. Today we have a very exciting vlog, which you probably know from the title. I'm dyeing my hair! Oh, I'm so excited. I've been loving the blue and the pink, but it's definitely time for a change. As you can see, my roots are very, very grown out, and it's time for something different. The pink is also pretty faded, but the blue is still looking pretty vibrant. So I'm a little nervous about getting this out of my hair, but I am also excited for a change and excited to dye my whole head and get some new colors going. So at this present moment, I'm not 100% sure exactly how I'm going to be dyeing my hair. I know the colors that I'm using. The placement as of right now is really going to depend on how much I'm able to lift this blue out, as well as what my haircut looks like, because I am going to get a haircut in about an hour, and then I'm going to dye my hair in about 2 days from now. So my typical haircut and what I'm going to be getting this time as well is a nice short, shaggy, mullety type haircut. Definitely more on the shag side than the mullet, but as my length has been growing, it's been looking more mullety, which is definitely what I'm going for. I do the straight across bangs. I have like short little pieces up top, and my girl's been cutting my hair for like 5 years. She does a great job, so not worried about that. Gonna look great. And then once I see sort of what the haircut looks like, here are my two potential plans. So the colors that I'm using are like a magenta purpley color, so like a warmer purple with like pinky undertones rather than blue undertones, and then like a fiery orange color, which will be more on the yellow side than on the red side. I feel like different variations of these colors wouldn't look good together. Like a warm purple wouldn't really look good with orange, but I think because it's on more of the magenta side, it's gonna look really cool together. So ideally, what I would like to do with my hair is take like the bangs and sort of like the face framing layers and do that purple, and then do the rest orange in the back. I know the orange is gonna look good on me because I used to have orange hair, so that I know is gonna look great. But when I had my hair orange previously, you could see I also was dyeing my eyebrows. I was trying to make it look more of like a natural red color that I was born with. This time, not doing that. Like it's clearly gonna be unnatural colors because of the purple. So yeah, that is my ideal dye job. Purple in the front with orange in the back. But depending on how high this lifts, if I feel as though the purple's not gonna cover it very well, probably what I'll do is do purple on this side and orange on this side and just do a split dye. Because I know that like blue and pink mixed together will make purple. So if I just put the color on this side, it might have like a couple different tones. But I am worried that like if I can't lift this very well and I have to like put the orange on top of it, it's gonna look muddy, and I don't want that to happen. So definitely gonna depend on how high I can bleach it. But I will be bleaching my whole head. Then I'll be doing my roots, and then I will be doing this for just about 20 minutes. But for now, let me go get my hair cut. I will come check back in with you in 2 days when I'm ready to dye. I'll show you what products I'm using. I'll show you what colors I picked, and I will walk you through the whole process. I've dyed my hair many, many times in my life, and I will say that this last dye job that I did was definitely the most successful. The bleach came out so evenly toned and was a really nice pale yellow color. But sometimes when I do like the whole head, I get a little lazy and I miss spots. So we're gonna try to be as thorough as possible and make sure this comes out amazing. So I will check back in with you in 2 days after I get my hair cut, and we will go on this dye journey together. See you in a bit. Hello, so it's actually been about 2 weeks since I filmed that intro video explaining what I'm gonna do with my hair. Did get a haircut. I do like how it looks. It's not styled right now, so y'all can't see it. But as you can see right here, I separated out the pieces that are already dyed. I'm going to start with the fresh hair in the back, and on the side up here, we're going to do everything but the roots for about 30 minutes. Then after that, I'll check, see what it looks like, do all of the roots, then add some bleach to the already bleached sections, and then hopefully it'll come out even. I'm very nervous about getting the blue out, but we'll see how it goes.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head.
Okay, so now I'm gonna let this process for like 30-ish minutes, and I'm gonna check on it, see what it looks like. And I put this bag on top of it because apparently that helps keep the heat in. As far as what I've learned from Brad Mondo videos, if it's a palish yellow color, then that means I'm good to do the roots. And then after the roots, I will do the already bleached part for another 15 to 30 minutes, depending on how that comes out. And then we'll wash out the bleach and hopefully it's even. I definitely feel like I did a more covered job on this side, got a little lazy over here. So praying it all comes out even and I didn't miss any spots, but we'll see.
Even if the sky is falling down, jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah.
Alright, so as I was poking around a little, I missed some spots on the roots. This side seems okay. Like, I'm not really seeing anything here, but on this side, absolutely missed some roots. But I'm out of bleach, and it's kind of drying out at this point, so I'm not gonna leave it any longer. Like, I don't know if the roots are the right color. They might not be bright enough, and this kind of sucks, but at least, like, the orange is gonna go over this, and it's, like, kind of gonna be covered, so, like, it's fine. Like, I didn't expect it to be perfect. So yeah, I'm gonna wash this out and let's see when it's dry how even it looks. And hopefully I didn't miss any other spots in the back. Does anyone remember the name of the Sanderson sister from Hocus Pocus that Sarah Jessica Parker plays? Because that's what I look like right now. This is legitimately wild. It looks so crazy. My curls are very screwed up, but that's okay. This happened last time I bleached it. A few deep conditioning treatments, we'll be good to go. Very happy with how the blue came out. I did, as I said, miss some spots, but these are the only spots that I missed, so could be worse. So now we are going to section my hair and then we're gonna add the color. The one thing I will say is that because I'm doing purple, and in color theory, purple and yellow cancel each other out, I am a little bit worried that this isn't bright enough to take the purple, but I think the purple is dark enough that it should be fine. And if it doesn't come up as vibrant as I want, I do have some magenta, so I can add that to it because I wanted a warmer purple, a more magenta-y purple. So if the purple is not bright enough, that is what we will do. Also, I can't remember if I showed the colors I was using, but this is Mystic Heather from Manic Panic for the purple. And then for the orange, Electric Tiger Lily. So together, this is what we're working with. I'm excited. I think it's gonna look cool. So let's get sectioning and coloring. Oh wow, this is not vibrant at all.
Why is that?
The orange. I feel like it feels really watery. Uh-oh. Look, it's like barely showing up.
What? It
Do you
looks
see?
good.
No, this is like barely vibrant. It looks so like pastel-y.
I don't know what it's supposed to look like.
I feel like I wanted it to be like so electric, and it's not.
The patch you missed in the back when you were like, did I get it all? I'm literally about to put gloves on and do it for you.
Girl, this time I'm getting everything. It's just not vibrant.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, down. I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind. I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Ta-da! So the first elephant in the room that needs to be addressed is very clearly the dye that you just saw me putting on my hair was not the last step in this dye process. But I wanted to show you the finished product first and then backtrack, explain what went wrong, and tell you how I fixed it. So once I washed the Manic Panic dye out, number one, it was so uneven. Number two, it wasn't vibrant. It wasn't the same color that was advertised on the container. And just in general, it was not the vibe that I was looking for. It didn't cover that blue that was left over at all. You can see in the orange, there was still a little bit of green left on the side. And even in the purple, there was a streak of blue running through it, which was not at all what I wanted. So the first thing I did with the orange, as I've said, I previously had orange hair and I always used the same box dye and it never steered me wrong. Box dye, I know, not the best for your hair, but in this situation, I knew what I would be getting because I'd used it before. So I went and picked that up. And then for the purple, which as you see turned out more pinky magenta, I had some punky color dye left over from the blue and pink that I had prior to this. I thought if I mixed it up with the rest of the Manic Panic purple that I had, it would still be purple, but it would be more vibrant, adding it to the pink that I knew would be vibrant. And that is not what happened at all. The pink completely ate up the purple. It was like it never existed. But to be honest, I think this is a really fun color combination. It's not 100% what I was going for, but I'm still extremely happy with the result. And now it is the vibrant, fiery orange that I was looking for. And though the front is not purple, it is extremely vibrant. And I'm very, very happy with how it looks because the previous color was just not it for me. And I want to take a moment to compare my punky color experience to my Manic Panic experience. First off, the smells. Manic Panic smelt horrible. I couldn't get the smell off my hands and I kept just smelling it around and it was gross. Punky color, as soon as you open up the container, you cannot help but notice how amazing it smells. It's absolutely delicious. Well, I didn't eat it, but you know, delicious nonetheless. Then there was the actual formula and application process. As I said, Manic Panic was very watery. The colors were not vibrant. They were not as advertised. And Punky Color's formula is really thick. It's sticky. It's vibrant. It goes right on and you know you're gonna get a really nice vibrant color. And then of course the final product. I think it speaks for itself. Punky color wins on every level. So thank you so much for coming along this dye journey with me. I hope you enjoyed watching my process. I hope you like the finished result just as much as I do. I'm so happy with it. Walking around the city yesterday, I got a ton of compliments. Not that I need compliments to know that I love it because I already did, but it validates it just a little bit. And leave some comments down below on what colors you think I should maybe try next. And I will see you in the next vlog. Peace out.
Let it go. 얼어붙어 like whoa. 띵하고 어지러워. I see. 한여름에 더 나은 겨울.